Hi everybody, this is Tan with the Nailery. I just want to do an updated tutorial on how to request an appointment on our private booking page. Makes a lot more sense now due to COVID-19 appointment only mandate. So go find us at thenailery.com. Once there, you're going to find the three links to respective booking page. The other way is to go through and find us on Facebook. Once you get to our Facebook page, you're going to find at the top of our page is a Book Now button. Please don't send us requests via private messenger. We don't monitor our social media at the salon at all, so we apologize. So once you go through the Book Now button, it'll also take you to this page. Conveniently, the button you're looking for is also another Book Now button. First thing you want to do is select your date off the calendar. The caveat to our system is there is a 24-hour minimum requirement on this. So if you need to book something in the next 24 hours, give us a call. If you're looking for something beyond 24 hours, go ahead and select your date. And then you're going to select your service. So I'm going to add another service. You can select multiple services. And then you want to show available times. So here's available times based off of the services, both services that we selected. And then the display is always going to show 15-minute increments. We don't book every 15 minutes. That's just the way it shows the start times. So that's a preliminary start time, not a booking every 15 minutes. Once you select something, it's going to show you the confirmation of your contact details. If you do this frequently, the best way to do it is to set up an account. The reason is because you can go back and double check it, and it's a lot more convenient to rebook it. So here's the services I requested. Again, it's showing my times, and these are back-to-back appointments. Please don't leave us any additional services or add people to your appointment on this comments page. It will not be valid. The system just does not read it that way. So once I go to request my appointment, it's going to show me here, and I am booked. So the new system update that we have, it does allow you to set up your account like I mentioned. And so here I've only booked one appointment, but here's all the appointments that I am in the system for. So that's all it is. You can also request another appointment. Other than that, we look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.